Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Programming used in Selenium. See, Selenium is a test tool for conducting functional testing. Okay, say software testing can be done in two ways. One is manual testing, another is automation testing or automated testing. We have several types of automation testing: automated functional testing, automated performance testing, automated API web services testing, automated mobile testing, etc. Our Selenium is used for automated functional testing. Okay, software testing. Under software testing, automation testing. Under automation testing, automated functional testing. For conducting automated functional testing, we have several tools: Selenium, UFT, formerly QTP, RFT, IBM RFT, Test Complete, Silk Test, Watir, etc. tools. In these tools, Selenium is popular. It is having nearly 60% market share. Next, Selenium supports 6 programming languages to write test cases. You can use any one of these languages: Java, Python, C#, JavaScript, Ruby, and Kotlin. You need not use all languages. You can use any one of these languages for writing test cases in Selenium. In these languages, Java combination is popular. Selenium with Java is having nearly 70% market share. Remaining languages only 30% market share. So try to learn Selenium with Java for functional automation testing or automated functional testing. Thank you.